Hey there, welcome to today's video. So picture this. You're stuck in Windows 11's lock screen with your PIN revoked due to a hardware change, and to make matters worse, you have no internet connection to set up a new one. Talk about a real headache of a problem. You can't bypass the lock screen or do anything within Windows itself. What a conundrum, right? Now, for the solution. Here's the kicker. You can establish an internet connection over USB by using either an USB to Ethernet adapter or even by hooking up your Android phone to your PC. Simply plug in your Android phone, enable USB tethering, and wait a few minutes. Lo and behold, Windows will silently install all the missing drivers, including those pesky graphic card and network ones. Problem solved. In a nutshell, being locked out of your Windows 11 system with a revoked PIN and no internet is definitely no fun. But fear not, with a simple USB connection, you can get everything up and running smoothly again. So give this solution a shot, and you'll be back in action in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knew technology could be this tricky, right?